Okay, these are the 4 hubcaps. I just haven't put them on. Been taking thing off and on to repair it and do stuff. So as you can see, those are just fine. They need to be repainted, but they're still in good shape and not all bent up. Okay, right here is, you can say it's about the size of my hand. That's where the one repair that I've been able to find on the vehicle. And that's in the left quarter here. And here's the right side. And you can see some of the original paint in there. There's the wipers that click on. Keep them in here so they don't get dry rot. So you know how to, here's the arms. Here's the 2 wiper heads, which are really hard to come by. A lot harder than I thought they would be.